Okay. Next problem. If u cap and v cap are unit vectors and theta is the acute angle between them, the angle between the two vectors theta, then 2u into 3v is the unit vector for here u cap and v cap are unit vectors. It means modulus u equals 1, modulus v equals 1. Theta is acute angle. Angle between the two vectors is theta. Now 2u cross 3v is the unit vector. It means modulus of 2u cross 3v equals 1. Now 2 and 3 counts, 2 to 3 is a 6. Bring outside 6 times of modulus u vector into v vector equals 1. Cross product. What is the formula cross product? A cross b, modulus a cross b, modulus a, modulus b, sin theta. Here theta is the angle between the two vectors a and b. Now 6 times of modulus u and modulus v sin theta, angle between these two theta equals 1. U and v are unit vectors, so modulus u equal to 1, modulus v equals 1. Now sin theta equals 1 by 6. Sin theta equals 1 by 6. One important point, theta is the acute angle, theta less than 90 degrees. Given theta is the acute angle less than 90 degrees. This is a graph of sine. This point is 0, 1. Sin pi by 2, sin 90 equals 1. Now here sin theta equal to 1 by 6. So this point is 0, 1 by 6. 0, 1 by 6. Between 0 and pi, exactly two values of theta. But here given theta is acute angle, theta less than 90. 0 to pi, 0 to 180 each అనుకోండి 1 by 6 and sin theta equal 1 by 6. Exactly two values of theta, 0 to pi is then. మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు theta is acute angle less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees, the values of theta exactly 1. So exactly one value of theta. So first one is the right option. Next problem. If vector A and B are two vectors such that A dot B less than 0 and modulus A dot B equal to modulus A cross B, then the angle between the two vectors A and B is. Now A dot B equal to modulus A dot B equal to modulus A cross B he given. Dot product modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Now cos theta, the angle between the two vectors B theta. Now cross product modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta. Here A and B are two vectors. Here modulus A cancelled, modulus B cancelled. Now cos theta equals sin theta. Now theta equals pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Sin 45 or sin 135. 3 pi by 4 available, pi by 4 available. It is not a multiple choice question. This is important point. Here dot product between A and B less than 0. A dot product with B less than 0. Dot product modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta, cos theta less than 0. It is always a positive. Modulus A, it one also positive. Modulus A and modulus B both are positive. Entire function is less than 0. It means entire function must be negative, less than 0. Here modulus A positive, modulus B positive. So here cos theta must be negative. Positive into negative, that is less than 0. Now cos theta less than 0. 0, 90, 180. First quadrant, second quadrant. First quadrant cos theta less than 0, that is negative. Here cos theta greater than 0. First quadrant cos theta positive, so greater than 0. Your second quadrant less than 0, negative. First quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Second quadrant sin and cosecant positive. Rest of the trigonometric ratios negative. Here cos theta must be negative. It means theta belongs to second quadrant. Theta belongs to second quadrant. So 90 and 180. So this one pi by 4 between 0 and 90. This one belongs to first quadrant. So pi by 4 is the wrong choice. 3 pi by 4 is the right answer. This angle between 90 and 180 second quadrant. So only right option is 3 pi by 4. I hope you are understanding. This problem, a unit tangent vector at t equal to 2 on the curve x equal to t square plus 2, y equal to 40 minus 5, z equal to 2t square minus 60 is. Okay, question is a unit tangent vector. First we have to find the tangent vector. Then we need to calculate unit vector. Let vector be r vector equals xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Here x is a t square plus 2 into I cap plus 4t minus 5 into j cap plus 2t square minus 60 into k cap. Next we need to calculate tangent vector, derivative with respect to t, dr by dt. Derivative with respect to t square, derivative 2t I. Derivative of constant is 0. Now derivative of 44, 4j cap. This one is 4t minus 6 into k cap. This one is tangent vector. We need to find a tangent vector at t equals to 2. Now dr by dt at t equals to 2. So 4i cap plus 4j cap plus t equals to 2. 8 minus 6 2 k cap. Okay, this is the tangent vector. We need to calculate a unit tangent vector. Unit tangent vector. What is the unit vector? Unit vector of A, vector A by magnitude of A. So this is the, we need to calculate a unit tangent of this one. Now vector 4i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap by square root of I cap coefficient 4 square, j cap coefficient 4 square, k cap coefficient 2 square, and we are adding them. Now bring outside 2 times of 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap by 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, 36, square root of 36, it is perfect square 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 1 by 3, 2i cap, 2j cap, k cap. Yes. Second one is the right answer. This one, if vectors ai cap plus j cap plus k cap, I cap plus b j cap plus k cap, and I cap plus j cap plus e k cap are coplanar, then the value of 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus a equals. So three vectors are coplanar. It means volume equal to 0. Yes or no? Three vectors are coplanar, then volume equal to 0. So box A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 0. Volume equals 0. Coefficient of I cap A, J cap 1, K cap 1. Second vector I cap coefficient 1, B 1. Third vector I cap coefficient 1, J cap coefficient 1, K cap coefficient C equals 0. Determinant 3 by 3. Best one is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. We have to operate row operation or column operation. It's the best one. Now C2 equals to C2 minus C1. Now first A1 first column, second column equal to second column minus first column 1 minus A. Here required 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C. So అందుకే మనము C2 minus C1 and 1 minus A ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కదా. So 1 minus A, B minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, right. Next 1 minus A available అండి, 1 minus A available, 1 minus B, 1 minus B ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. So C minus 1, okay. C3 equal to C3 minus C1. Now 1 minus A, 1 minus 1 0, C minus 1. Now determinant A into, we have to leave first row and first column, applying 2 by 2 matrix, determinant of 2 by 2, AD minus BC. Now B minus 1 into C minus 1. Now minus of 1 minus A, we have to leave first row and second column. This one 1 C minus 1, 1 minus 1 into 0 0. Next plus 1 minus A into, we have to leave first row and third column, 2 by 2 matrix determinant 1 into 0 0. So minus of B minus 1, minus of B minus 1, 1 minus B equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. Here required 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C. Now A times of multiplied by minus, so this one is 1 minus B into multiplied by minus 1 minus C, minus of minus plus. This one is minus of minus plus 1 minus A. This one is 1 minus C. Plus 1 minus A into 1 minus B equal to 0. Okay, now this one is the minus of C minus 1, that is 1 minus C plus. Now divided by 1 minus A into 1 minus B into 1 minus C. Now A by 1 minus A plus 1 by 1 minus B plus 1 by 1 minus C equal to 0. You require 1 by 1 minus A plus 1 by 1 minus B plus 1 by 1 minus C. Now it is A minus 1 plus 1. in the numerator a available, minus 1 plus 1 చేసామనుకోండి సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్ a అనే కదా. సో a minus 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c equal to 0. Bring outside minus, so minus of a minus 1, that is minus of 1 minus a, 1 minus 1 minus a cancel, this one is a minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c equal to 0. Here minus 1 will take right hand side. Now 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 minus 1 by 1 minus c equal to 1. This is the final answer 1. So first one is the right option. In this problem, better one is we are using column operations. Column operations or row operations. Next Monday. Column operations is the problem is there. Next problem, let a vector j cap minus k cap and vector c I cap minus j cap minus k cap, then vector b satisfy a cross b plus c equal to 0 and a dot b equal to 3. Already same problem మనం చేసామండి. దీని ముందు చెప్పే ఒక 3-4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ముందు చేసి ఉంటాం. చూడండి చెక్ చేయండి. సో సేమ్ మోడల్ డిస్కస్ చేసాము. దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ AEEE 2010 AEEE this one. First one is the dot product between a and b equal to 3. So we need to find out vector b. So let vector b be b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now a dot b. So I cap into I cap coefficient b1, here there is no I cap, 0 into b1 0. There's j cap into j cap. Now b2 minus b3 into 1 b3 equal to 3. Okay. Next one, a cross b plus c vector equal to 0. Now a cross b equal to c vector c will take right hand side. So this will be minus c. Now cross product between a and b. Now I cap coefficients, j cap coefficients and k cap coefficients. Determinant form is a better one, cross product. So I cap coefficient vector a 0, j cap 1, k cap minus 1. Vector b, I cap coefficient b1, b2, b3. Minus of c vector. So minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now I cap into, we have to leave first row and first column, b2 minus of minus, sorry, b3 minus of minus plus b2 minus j cap into, we have to leave first row and second column, 0 into b3 0 minus of minus plus b1 plus k cap into, we have to leave first row and third column, so 0 minus b1 equal to minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Next step, we have to compare coefficient of I, j and k. Compare coefficient of I cap coefficient here b3 plus b2 equal to minus 1. J cap coefficient here minus b1 equal to, here j cap coefficient is 1. Now b1 equal to minus 1. Here let us say equation 1, this one let us say equation 2. Now adding these two, 1 plus 2. Minus b3 plus b3 cancelled, b2 plus b2 2b2. 2b2 equal to 3 minus 1 2. Now b2 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1. So b2 substitute either 1 or 2, we get b3. Now b2 equal to 1, b3 plus 1 equal to minus 1, b3 equal to minus 2. So what is the vector b? Now vector b equal to b1 I cap. So b1 is minus 1 minus I cap. Here b2 is 1 plus j cap B3 is minus 2 k cap. This is the final answer. So minus I plus j minus 2k. Fourth one is the right option. Let A, B and C be unit vectors such that vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0. Which of the following is correct? Vector A, vector B, vector C. So three vectors are taken in same order. Now vector A plus vector B plus vector C equals 0. Which of the following is the correct one? So multiplied by vector A cross A plus B plus vector C equal to 0. Now A cross A 0, A cross B plus A cross C equals 0. Now A cross B equals minus of A cross C. Now A cross B equals C cross A. Minus of A cross C is C cross A. We know already discussed chesamanటే A cross B equals minus of B cross A. Now A cross B not equal to B cross A. Now B cross of A vector plus B vector plus C vector equals 0. Now B cross A plus B cross B 0. Now B cross C equal to 0. Now B cross A or B cross C? B cross C equal to minus of B cross A. Now B cross C equal to minus of B cross A, that is A cross B. Now A cross B equal to C cross A cross B equal to B cross A. So therefore A cross B equal to B cross C equal to C cross A. All are equal. So it forms equivalent triangle because of A vector, B vector, C vector are unit vectors. Because of modulus A vector equal to 1, modulus B vector equal to 1, modulus C vector equal to 1. So it forms an equivalent triangle. So A cross B equal to B cross C equal to C cross A not equal to 0. It's a wrong option. A cross B equal to B cross C plus C cross A not equal to 0. It is the right option. Are mutually independent. So second one is the best one. Second one is the right option. Now we are going to discuss the product of three vectors. Let A, B and C be three vectors. If A dot B dot C, A dot B cross C, A cross B dot C, A cross B cross C. మనం ఏమైనా టూ వెక్టార్స్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ A vector and B vector. Here A vector dot product with B vector. It is a scalar value. Scalar means constant value. ఏమైనా టూ వెక్టర్స్ కి మనం డాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఏమైనా టూ వెక్టర్స్ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చేసాము అనుకోండి, మనకి ఏమొస్తుందండి? వెక్టార్. సో వెక్టార్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. డాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తే కాన్స్టెంట్ స్కేలార్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది, క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తే వెక్టర్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, డాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ between vectors only, not between constant and vector. Dot product or cross product between vectors only, not between constant and vector. Okay, here A is one vector, B is one vector. Here dot product is scalar value. Vector A and vector B. Vector A cross product with the vector B, then we get vector value. Dot product చేస్తే కాన్స్టెంట్ వస్తుందని, క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తే వెక్టర్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్, A dot B dot C. Here A dot vector A dot product with vector B. Now it is a scalar. A dot product between scalar and vector, it is meaningless. It is a meaningless. Yes or no? A dot product or cross product between vectors only, not between constant and vector. It is a constant, it is a vector. So a dot product between scalar and vector, meaningless. Second one, A dot B cross C. Here dot product between two vectors, we get scalar. This one is a scalar, constant value. See, here C is the vector. Here cross product between constant and vector, this one also meaningless. Here cross product or dot product between only vectors, not between constant and vector. Third one, A cross B dot C. Here cross product between two vectors, we get vector value. So this one is vector, this one also vector. Now here dot product between the two vectors, so it is meaningful. So dot product between the two vectors, dot product gives scalar value only. So this one is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Simply STP. STP means scalar triple product. Next one, A cross B cross C vector. Cross product between two vectors. Cross product gives a vector value. Now it is a vector. Here C is a vector. Here cross product between two vectors, it is meaningful. Now cross product gives a vector value. So this one is a vector triple product. Vector triple product. Vector triple product. So VTP, vector triple product. This one is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Let A, B, C be three non-zero vectors. Then A cross B dot C is known as scalar triple product of three vectors. Also denoted as box ABC. Read as box ABC. Now similarly B cross CA, box BCA, C cross A dot B, box CAB. Here all are taken in order A, B and C. Box ABC, box BCA, box CAB, all are same. box ABC equal to box BCA equal to box CAB. All are taken in order. Same volume of same parallel piped. So A cross B dot C. Impart results of scalar triple product. How to calculate A cross B dot B? That is the box ABC. Determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, it is the best one. Determinant. Determinant form is the best one. A cross B dot C. Now box ABC are taken in order. In case order change అయింది అనుకోండి నెగటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. Now box ABC here order is BAC. Actually BCA right order. BCA right order. BCA is the right order. But here order is BAC. That's why minus. Now CBA is wrong order. So that's why minus. Now ACB, this one also wrong choice. So that is a minus. Okay. ఒక ఆర్డర్లో తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి పాజిటివ్ బాక్స్ ABC ఈక్వల్ టు బాక్స్ BCA ఈక్వల్ టు బాక్స్ CAB వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ ప్యారలల్ పైప్. సో ఆర్డర్ మిస్ అయింది అనుకోండి నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దిస్ వన్. For example, box ABC, this one is scalar triple product A cross B, this vector dot product with C. It is a box ABC. Now A cross B dot C, A cross B. Now A cross B equals to minus of B cross A. Minus of B cross A. Now A cross B equals to minus of B cross A dot product with C vector. Minus of B cross A vector dot product with C vector. It is a scalar triple product. Now box B A C. B A C not in same order. B A C reverse order. It is not in same order. That's why minus of BAC. Now box ABC equal to minus of BAC. Order change అయితే నెగటివ్ వస్తుందండి. Same ABC are taken same order. ABC BCA next CAB same order. Volume of the same parallel pipe. Box ABC equal to box BCA equal to box CAB. ఎక్కడైతే మనకు ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ అయ్యిందో నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. Next one, in scalar triple product, position of dot and cross can be interchanged. Now A cross B dot C. In scalar triple product, position of dot and cross can be interchanged. Now A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. We know that A dot B equals B dot A. A dot B equals B dot A. But A cross B equals minus of B cross A. Minus of B cross A. So now it is A dot B, entire vector is B, like B, this one like B vector, A dot B equals to B dot A. Now this will be B cross C dot A. Or now it is a box ABC, box A vector, B vector, C vector equals to, this one is a box BCA. BCA. Okay. What's the point? In scalar triple product, position of dot and cross can be interchanged. Now, box lambda A, here lambda A, mu B or C. Lambda vector A, mu into vector B, gamma into vector C. Here lambda, mu are some scalars, constant. So bring outside lambda, mu or lambda into mu are equal to, so lambda, box lambda A, mu B, gamma C vector equal to lambda into mu into R times of box A, B, C. For example, 5A vector 2 by 3 vector B three times of vector C. Scalars 5 into bring outside 2 by 3 into bring outside 3. Now box A B C. Box A B C. 3 cancel. 5 2 is 10. 10 times of box A B C. Just an example. Scalar triple product of three vectors is 0 if any two of them are equal. If any two of them are equal. If vector A equals vector B. Now box A B C equals A cross B dot C. In this case, vector A equals vector B. Now A cross A, this vector dot product with the vector C. A cross A 0. A cross A 0. B cross B 0. C cross C 0. 0 into C vector C. That one is 0 vector. Scalar triple product of three vectors is 0 if any two of them are equal. Here A, B, C. Let A, B, C are three vectors. Let A, B and C be three vectors. If vector A equal to vector B, then scalar triple product is 0. Scalar triple product of three vectors is 0 if any two of them are parallel. Let vector A, vector B and vector C be three vectors. If vector A parallel to vector B, vector A parallel to vector B. Now box ABC. Now box ABC equals A cross B, this vector dot product with the vector C. It is a box ABC vector scalar triple product. Now vector A parallel to vector B. Two lines are parallel. This is vector A, this one is vector B. Now one vector equals to some scalar lambda into vector B. Okay, collinear or parallel. One vector equal to some scalar into other vector. Now vector A parallel to vector B. Now vector A equal to some scalar lambda into vector B. Now A cross B, A vector is lambda B cross B dot C. Now lambda times of B cross B C. B cross B is 0. Or simply A vector A is lambda. Lambda times of vector B and B vector and C vector. Now box lambda vector A mu into vector B gamma into vector C equals bring outside scalars constants lambda into mu into R times of box ABC. Now here scalar is lambda constant, here one constant, lambda into 1 lambda. Lambda times of vector B, box B vector and C vector. Scalar triple product of three vectors is 0 if any two of them are equal. If any two of them are equal. Here box A and box A, B vector equal to A vector. Box A and box A vector and A vector and C vector is 0. Okay. Scalar triple product of three vectors is 0 if any two of them are equal. Or box A vector, B vector, B vector. Two vectors are same. Two vectors are equal. Box scalar triple product is 0. Now B vector, C vector and C vector. This one is 0. Scalar triple product is 0. Any two of them are equal. So here scalar triple product is 0. Any two of them are equal. So here vector B are equal. Now lambda into 0 equal to 0. If A, B, C be position vector of vertices A, B, C with respect to O origin, then volume of the tetrahedron OABC 1 by 6 box ABC. O is the origin, OA, OB, OC. Here O is the origin. A, B, C are position vectors of vertices A, B, C. It is a position vector of A, position vector of B, vertices position vector of C. With respect to origin, the volume of the tetrahedron OABC is 1 by 6 box ABC. A, B, C, D are position vectors of vertices A, B, C, D. Here A is no origin. Okay, here vertices A, B, C, D are vertices. Then volume of tetrahedron 1 by 6 box AB, AC and AD. 1 by 6 box AB vertices AB where AB, C, D are vertices. Now position vector of vertices A vector. This one position vector B. This one position vector C. This one position vector D. Important point, previous thing is O is the origin. With respect to origin O, here A is no origin. A, B, C, D are vertices of a tetrahedron. Volume is 1 by 6. AB, AC and AD. AB, vector AB. The position vector of terminal point minus the position vector of initial point. The position vector of B minus the position vector of A. Now B minus A. C minus A, D minus A. 1 by 6 box B minus A, C minus A, D minus A. Next. If A, B, C, D are 4 vectors, then box A plus B, C, D equal to box A, C, D plus box B, C, D. The given box A plus B, vector C and vector D. Generally, box A, B, Z equal to scalar triple product. Now A cross B, this vector dot product with vector C. It is a box A, B, C. Scalar triple product. This one is A, B, C. Box A, B, C. Now A cross B. Here A vector plus B. Now A cross B. This vector scalar. This vector dot product with vector D. Now A cross C plus vector B cross vector C dot D vector. Finally, A cross C, this vector dot product with D vector plus B cross C, this vector dot product with D vector. Now A cross C dot product with D. Now it is box A, C and D. Now plus B cross C dot product with vector D. Now it is box B, C, D. This is the proof. Now A plus B, box A plus B, vector C, vector D. Now A, C, D, box A, C, D plus box B, C, D. Next, condition for 4 points to be coplanar volume equal to 0. Now three vectors. Now three vectors. Vector A, vector B, vector C. Condition for 4 points to be coplanar volume equal to 0. Box ABC equal to 0. Or 4 points. 3 vectors or 4 points. D. In this case, box AB vector, next AC vector, next AD vector equal to 0. Volume equal to 0. 3 vectors ichcharu box AB is equal to 0. 4 points ichcharu you need to find AB vector, AC vector, AD vector. Then find box AB is equal to 0. If the vectors 2i cap minus 3j cap, I cap plus j cap minus k cap and 3i cap minus k cap form 3 concurrent edges of a parallel piped, then find the volume of the parallel piped. What is the volume of the parallel piped? Box ABC. Now OA vector, that is vector A, equals 2i cap minus 3j cap. Vector OB, that is a vector B, equals I cap plus j cap minus k cap. OC, that is C vector, 3i cap minus k cap. We need to find out the volume of the parallel pipe. So box ABC. What is box ABC? Determinant form. So I cap coefficient 2, j cap coefficient minus 3, there is no k cap, 0. I cap coefficient 1, j cap plus 1, k cap minus 1. I cap 3, j cap, there is no j cap coefficient 0, k cap coefficient minus 1. Determinant form. Now 2 into, we have to leave first row into first column. 1 into minus 1 plus 0. Minus of minus plus 3. We have to leave first row into second column. 1 into minus 1 minus of minus plus 3. Plus 0 into 1, 0. 0 into anything is 0. Minus 2, 3 to the 6, 4. Volume of the parallel pipe is 4. The position vectors of the 4 angular points of a tetrahedron. AB, AC, D. What is the formula? Volume of the tetrahedron 1 by 6 box AB, AC and AD. Already properties చెప్పుకున్నామండి important points లో. So volume of the tetrahedron for given 4 points A, B, C, D. Box 1 by 6 box AB, box AB, AC and AD. First we need to calculate vector AB. What is vector AB? The position vector of B minus the position vector of A. B minus A, 3i minus 0, 3i cap. 0 minus J cap. k minus of k minus 2k minus k cap. Now vector AC, AB over next vector AC, 4i minus 4i cap, 3j minus j plus 2j cap, 6k minus 2k plus 4k cap. Next vector AD, D minus A, 2i cap. Now 3j minus j plus 2j cap, 2k minus 2k 0. Now 1 by 6 box AB, AC and AD. So 1 by 6 determined form, coefficient of I is k, 3 minus 1 minus 1, 4, 2, 4, I cap coefficient 2, j cap coefficient 2, there is no k cap, so 0. Now 1 by 6 volume 3 times of, we have to leave first row and first column, 2, 0, 0, minus 8, minus of minus plus 1 into, we have to leave first row and second column, 4, 0, minus 8. This one is, okay, this one also minus 8. So minus 1, we have to leave first row and third column, 4 to 8, 8 minus 2 to 4. Now 1 by 6 minus 24 minus 8 minus 8 minus 4. So enter 28, enter value is check once this one determinant is wrong or right. Minus 1, 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 4 2, okay. Minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, 0 to 4 is 8, right. 3 into 2, 0, 4 minus 8, minus 24, minus 8, minus 4.